USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. For this particular um, civil justice sign off, I want to sing a song along with the civil justice sign off. And this song, I'm absolutely positive that most of them who went to school, in the toddler age, they might have listened to the songs like rhymes like thing, but it has its own meaning, and I will explain it. It means that the true owner of the nation will come, and then all the population will be happiest to see the true owner of all nations. Okay, so here this is how the song goes like. She'll be coming down the mountains when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountains when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountains. She'll be coming round the mountains. Coming down the mountains when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountains when she comes. She'll be running round the mountains when she comes. She'll be running down the mountains, riding down 6.0. She'll be coming round the mountains when she comes. She'll be riding 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be riding 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be riding 6 white horses, riding 6 white horses, riding 6 white horses when she comes. We'll go out to greet her when she comes. Oh, we all go out to greet her when she comes. We all go out to greet her when she comes. We all will go out to greet her when she comes. And we all read books together when she comes. Oh, we all read books together when she comes. Oh, we all read books together when she comes. Oh, we all read books together when she comes. I hope you all enjoyed this song as well, okay? And there is a reason behind it, and I will reveal it later. And you all keep working. Who am I? Okay. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye now. The USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page on this very important, crucial, ongoing civil justice sign-off I'm providing for myself. And it is because the United States of America nation, with fatal negligence, created the robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty for me. And USA nation do not have any birthrights to enforce poverty for me, and it's a deadliest crime. And that is why USA is at fault mode and found guilty and handcuffed mode. And I am signing the civil justice sign off for myself, and it is a multitasking is also the wisdom. And as I said, as I've been repeating this on and in each and every single section to be on the same page, it is a multitasking process as well, is a wisdom, right? So wisers might be the only ones who will understand my wisdom education, because it's a multitasking. And yes, the USA have to provide me the rightful salary, and yes, the United States of America is going to sign off the job offer, and I'm going to start the job anytime, and only then I can provide all the needful that is needed to do to rewrite all the national operations worldwide. So I will read the civil justice, okay? For I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide as of today is Republica, the crazy horse statue in USA, in South Dakota. Never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I weigh the Priya Pro se, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme civil judge, and it is a fatal negligence of Crazy Horse statue USA to be fatal negligence. So either USA government should say knows who is Republica Crazy Horse statue USA, or either USA should say don't know who is Republica Crazy Horse statue USA. Now here at this point of time I want to provide a crystal clear communication that why there is that Republica word one side and then Crazy Horse statue USA on the other side means Republica is, if you are seeing on all the patterns in all the sessions I've been using the word Republica, right? So that itself is a telltale sign of how everything is a scandal. So that means even the people who are addressing themselves are native Indian tribes in USA and all nations across the globe, they are not the native Indian tribes. That's the meaning of it. Okay, and what is the other real meaning of the Crazy Horse statue USA means? Absolutely a true native Indian tribe, a true owner of USA will be born, and then that true native Indian tribe will stand in front of entire native Indian tribe population, and that the true native Indian tribe will get the civil justice for the entire native Indian tribe population worldwide. So those are the two different meanings of it. Okay, so are you all with me on this communication part of it? So you all might be wondering why I'm using the Republica word in each and every civil justice sign-off, because you all must know it's all created on a scandal processing, right? It's all, I'm just displaying in a layer by layer mode, and they create the absolute monarchs, they create it in a spider web mode, and I displayed to you all in a very user-friendly, user-layman way in a layer by layer mode, and I'm just using the word Republica. That's all is enough for me to display the scandal of absolute monarchs. Okay, so what exactly is the error? Okay, Crazy Horse statue is a native Indian tribe. They wanted to build it, and they wanted to convey loudest to the United States of America, hey USA, one fine day, a true native Indian tribe, a true owner of United States of America will be born and will stand in tallest in front of entire native Indian tribes population of USA and worldwide, and will get civil justice. So that is the exact meaning of that Crazy Horse statue that was built exclusively by only native Indian tribes, and it is not government funded, so they are that's how they are building it. Still it's only in the construction mode, right? That itself says it all. So that is why God is always in God mode. So, but then still they never provided the they never stepped in and prevented this robocall poverty mandate. It's a proof that who are addressing themselves as native Indian tribes in United States of America are never native Indian tribes, is the truth, is the raw truth. Okay, so so that is why I have to address this, and it's all coming under the multitasking part of it. And that means if Voices is aware that I am an excellent communicator, right? Because at this point of time you might have seen that I have covered all the 7.9 plus billions of humans count by count in my civil justice itself, even though it looks as if I am only signing the civil justice for myself. So it is a multitasking. I'm signing the civil justice for myself, same time entire human kingdom also gets a civil justice. Everything happens at the same time, faster than a robot. Okay, so yes, so that comes under the classification of domestic violence when native Indian tribes they never provided a healthy guidance for the national operations. So that means that comes under the classification of domestic violence, means breach of duty, then national infliction of intentional infliction of emotional distress and causation injury and battery and types and assault and types and false imprisonment and types and trespass to land types and trespass to chattel types. And I hope one more time to be on the same page, I sang one rhyme song, right, that elementary school rhyme song. It is the meaning of that song is a true native Indian tribe will be born and will stand tallest, and all the nations will see the true native Indian tribe, the true owner of all the nations. That is what that elementary song means. And it was people want to reach out to the population in a different forms, but they cannot say everything in a direct way, but they have to say it in an indirect way. Then it's happening. Okay, so that is good news, right? So then I will continue with the more extended civil justice. So I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off for myself. So Republica Crazy Horse Statue USA with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and it is a crime. And by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyers, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 to $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6, 2021 and beyond. And that is what today is, February 9th. And this, please forgive me about this, or just be patient, overlook it, that date, right? Because I created a few days back. I will update it in the next session. Finance disabled was enforced to I, Vedapriya. So it is a crime for Republica Crazy Horse Statue USA when ruling USA never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose wants United States of America Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and Crazy Horse Statue of USA must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be on the same page. And for I displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs, I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice in Holy Bible guidelines, want USA to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name, Vedapriya, is a civil justice served, and Vedapriya Prose to become Vatican leader now is a civil justice served, and Pope Francis resigns now abruptly is a civil justice served, and I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served, and I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served, and I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Import Exports, and Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page on this very crucial civil justice ongoing sign-off process. And it is a multitasking process. And yes, I sure will get the civil justice for entire human kingdom. And yes, I am absolutely positive USA government will close the eyes and blindest sign of the job offer immediate to me so that I could start the job and provide all the design solutions accordingly. And that's pretty much it. And I also should get the rightful salary in the finance aid, and that way I could take care of my basic essentials. And I'm in absolute finance crisis mode and I'm unemployed mode, so that be of a timely help. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.